Red flag. Oh no! Big off and a big damage to the wall at Fisherman's as one of the Chinese drivers, that's Chen, has gone straight on at Fisherman's into the barrier. Heavy duty. And oil reported. So was it that? Oh no, it's the last turn, and that's the reason. Excuse me, I take it all back. It wasn't his fault at all. It was a slippy track coming into there, and you saw him weave, and he's bolted straight into the last corner here at our bend and made a mess of the fence as well, and won't have done that Audi too much good. So red flag is out, not surprisingly. And another car. Oh, that's Maro Engel in trouble. Here's another look. See, look.
So there's a slippery surface and there's a smoking Maro Engel.
Yeah, that's not good news.
So
yes, could that be one after the other? Yeah, I think that
connected, methinks.
Methinks you're right.
Yeah.
Now the question is, how far did Maro get? Because the problem is, look where he is and look where he stopped. So he's a mile away from the last corner at least. So how much has he actually dropped?
As soon as he brings the car to a stop, the car is engulfed in smoke, isn't it?